SimLab Composer now makes it easy to use different AI providers inside your VR experiences. With the new Set AI Key and Set AI Agent model nodes, you're no longer limited to a single provider. You can now create a dynamic setup where users switch between providers like OpenAI, DeepSeek, or Gemini all directly from the training builder, without needing to enter API keys in the VR viewer. In this example, we'll create a simple VR scene where the user can ask a virtual patient about their health condition. Now let's begin. First, set up an AI agent. Go to the Interaction section and click on AI Agent. In the window that appears, give your agent a name and write its instructions. For this example, we named it Patient and gave it patient instructions. In the variable input, assign a string variable named Patient. This variable will store the conversation history and responses during the experience. To display the AI responses in the scene, go to the VR Effects section, then in the UI section, click on Create Variable Writer. Then attach the same string variable to the variable writer. This will allow the AI responses to appear during the experience. Then, to enable multiple AI providers like OpenAI, DeepSeek, and Gemini in your experience, start by opening the training builder, then adding a Set AI Key node for each provider. You can get this node by right-clicking anywhere on the canvas to open the search window, then navigate to Responses, then AI Agent, and click on Set AI Key. After placing the node, fill in the provider name field with the AI provider you want, such as OpenAI, DeepSeek, or Gemini, and paste the corresponding API key in the API key field. Repeat this step to create separate Set AI Key nodes for each of the providers you want to use. Once you have all the nodes in place, go to the Events section and add a Scene Start event. Connect all three Set AI Key nodes to this event. This setup ensures that all providers are initialized and ready to be used as soon as the VR experience begins. Then, to let users switch between AI providers during the experience, start by placing 3 buttons in your scene, one for each provider: OpenAI, DeepSeek, and Gemini. In the training builder, add a node-triggered event for each button. For each event, start by adding a Set AI Agent model node. You can get this node by right-clicking anywhere on the canvas to open the search window, then navigating to Responses, then AI Agent, then click on Set AI Agent Model. In this node, select the patient agent you created earlier, and fill in the provider name and model name that match the selected provider. After that, add an AI agent, send a message node from the same section. In the AI agent name field, choose the patient agent again. In the message field, type the question you want the AI to respond to. For example, can you describe your symptoms? This node sends the prompt to the selected AI provider. Then, adjust the output voice option, set it to false for DeepSeek and Gemini, and true for OpenAI to enable voice playback. Note that OpenAI is currently the only provider that supports both voice input and output. With this setup, clicking each button triggers a different AI model and sends the same question, allowing the user to compare their responses. Now let's test it.
Sure, my throat is sore and it hurts a bit when I swallow. I've noticed I feel more tired than normal, and I had a slight fever yesterday, around 99.5. Overall, I just feel kind of run down.